Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. If you have been sourcing and ship products from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see some of the new payment method that was added recently on Taobao as matter of new update on Taobao Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. As you can see right here, this is my Taobao Chinese shopping app, and in fact before now, you can only shop on Taobao with Master or Visa card and including Alipay and likewise the WeChat Pay wallet. However, in recent updates, Taobao decided to add a new payment method which allow every foreigners or international buyers for easy payment. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub, money porter and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So for instance, I'm going to use a random product as an example right here. Now let's say for instance, I want to buy from this particular store right here. So what you want to do here is to go ahead and click on the product link. Then after you click on the product link, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, you can choose size and the color from here. And then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the checkout right here, you find out that some of the feasible payment method here is WeChat, MasterCard or debit card, and likewise Alipay. However, a lot of people find it difficult to have access to WeChat wallet. It's because However, if you do not have these options of WeChat wallet and your credit or debit card was rejected and you do not have Alipay, there is a new payment method on Taobao right now that allow you to use GPay. So for you to make use of GPay, which is also known as Google Pay, just go ahead and click on here. So once you click on that, then you can see Google Pay is now available. Then what you need to do is to go ahead and click on here to select Google Pay. Once you select the Google Pay, then you can use your Google Pay to shop and ship products from China on Taobao right now. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this new update in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source, ship products from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.